Hey, what's going on? I'm Jody, this is Inspire Woodcraft, and today I have some really big news. Now, if you came over here because you followed an Instagram link, I really appreciate that support. That means that you have put some faith in me and want to know more about what I've got going on, and that's super awesome. I just quit my day job. That's the news. That's the whole video. Alright, but in all seriousness, what this means is, starting April, I'm going full-time. YouTube content is going to be a part of that. Most of the time people will make videos in their side hustle. I'm going to make videos in my not side hustle. What's the opposite of a side hustle? So, things you can expect to see here. I have a cheat sheet because I can't retain any information. How-to videos, a workflow, maybe tips and tricks. We'll make some templates and some jigs and stuff like that. I'm gonna be here in the shop working basically all the time unless I'm doing editing or meeting with clients and stuff. I have this huge mess of a shop right this second, and that's a part of it, is shop and home improvements. So as you guys can see, this place, see, this is where I work. In the future, what I want to do is I want to build a wall. Don't turn the video off because I said build the wall. Just keep listening. It's not like that. It's gonna go from here and it's gonna go all the way across, and that door is gonna still be the entry point, but we're gonna make another door, and that's gonna enclose this and make a bunch of storage area right in here and get all of this out. That'll open up a really good shop flow. There we are. So I guess that's about it. That's really all I brought you along here for. I promise I would keep this short. I don't know if I succeeded on that. This video might not be the greatest, but it's gonna get better over time. I'm gonna get better on camera. I'm gonna get a better flow going, and we're really gonna make this thing work. To be honest, this is kind of a scary thing. We don't have a big bank account. We don't have any really solid type of security blanket, so I'm just pushing as hard as I can to get it. I think my wife's gonna kill me when she watches this. Do me a favor, if you want to, go ahead and subscribe, go ahead and like it, all that other stuff. Enjoy the rest of your day. Can't wait for the next video. The next video is gonna be much more entertaining, I promise. So stay tuned. Thank you so much. Damn, 5 minutes worth of video, that's forever. So, I learned something, like, literally just now. See, I've shot this thing like 7 different times, no joke, 7 different times. Each time I go back and I look at it and I edit it on the computer because part of it's because it's practicing my editing skills, and part of it's because I want it to be perfect. And it's not gonna be perfect. And I think that today I finally just come to that conclusion. I have lights that auto dim after like 30 seconds. I gotta adjust that. I learned today to stop looking at the footage after I record it. Just record it, be myself, talk to the camera. If I ramble, I can edit it out and then post it. And that's what I'm gonna do. Those are the kinds of things you can expect to watch me grow with. It's 2018, I'm new to the game, that's all right. But come April, baby, it's game on. Anyways, thanks again, you guys, so much for your support. Truly appreciate it. I couldn't even think about doing any of this stuff without your support. So again, I appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys later until the next video. Thank you.